with Fleet.
Woo!
So do y'all know those electric scooters that you see in big cities? Like the bird scooters, right? They suck! $40 an hour to use them, and tourists are leaving them out on the streets just like garbage. See, cities are seeing these as problematic, and cities won't even have them in their own city. The problem with these is their business model and pricing. So we should switch that focus from a tourist business model to a locals first business model. Because electric scooters are great. They can reduce a 10 to 20 minute ride into a 3 to 5 minute ride. So as a college student who walks 10 to 20 minutes every day, this really turns me on. So how do we do this? We developed the first technology in solar-powered docking, which would allow for places to actually drop your scooters off. These places would house fully charged scooters, meaning you won't need to scour the urban streets to find them. It would reduce the maintenance and charging costs, so we can drop kick that $40 an hour business model and replace it with a $40 a month subscription model. So I'm here today looking for a team of creative thinkers and advisors to help guide this vision to change pedestrian walking forever. So who wants to join me on this mission to harness the power of scooters to give to the everyday commuter? Woo!